Are you looking for a way to enhance your garden or to show it off? Well, be ready to see some magic because I've found the perfect solution. Introducing the Holman Garden Lights. These lights bring a whole new meaning to a garden party. Garden lights can create a different atmosphere to your outdoor space. Unlike other garden lights, the Holman lights are extremely easy to use. It's the perfect DIY for anyone. And it's all thanks to this here. This is the plug and socket system. You simply click them in and away you go. This makes installing and expanding your setup a breeze. Best of all, because of the modular process, no electrician is needed. These lights operate on a low voltage, so you can enjoy the benefits of having a pretty display without worrying about the impact on both the environment and the electricity bill. Another great way to use these lights is to highlight a significant tree in your garden. And for me, it's this beautiful Acer Negundo, which is known as the pink tassel tree or box elder. You can use this same technique to light up pools, walkways, or key features in your garden. The Garden Light Controller gives you the ultimate lighting control. How? Well, it syncs to your smartphone via Bluetooth through the iGardener app. And from there you can control the zoning, the light intensity, you can even run them on a timer. And if you have the RGB lights, you can even control the color, so you can have as much fun as you want in the garden. All lights are made from a die-cast aluminium with a water and dust protection rating of IP67. So you know that these lights will be able to withstand our garden conditions. I love how quickly a garden can be transformed with the addition of a few lights. And you know what? It can do something a little bit special for your house too in regards to the visual appeal. And you can cheat the sun. You can stay out longer and garden into the night. I know I will be.